Guys, Dan the Man 92 here, back again with another video for you guys. So, as you guys have known, there's been two episodes of the shop improvements. First one being this workbench, second off being the drill bit holder. Now, I do plan on getting into some woodworking items. Like, I think the first one I'm going to be doing is making a wooden mallet, where I'm going to show you step by step how to make a wooden mallet. But I was just wondering, what other kind of items would you like to see being made? I plan on doing quite a few, plan on getting a better selection of woodworking tools. So I just wanted to see what you guys recommended for woodworking tools. Kind of doing this on like a budget type setup, that way it's more budget friendly for people that want to start getting into woodworking. Now, I did do woodworking when I was in high school. I did, I think, 3 semesters of woodworking. So I kind of know what I'm doing. Might have forgotten some of it, but I still know a good amount of it. But I was just wondering what you guys want to see me make that I can do like how-to videos about, also what kind of tools you recommend. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.